it's that time where I tell you guys what I think about that install. I ordered it on Tuesday. That was right after Memorial Day. I ordered it that day. They shipped it that day. So that was a big win in my book. You know, I like when my parts ship the same day. I think that's awesome. That's why I like Summit Racing and now Motion Raceworks. The shipping, which I know Motion Raceworks don't really have nothing to do really with shipping, but it arrived to my house in 2 days. So I ordered it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It was here Friday, so 3 days. It might have been Wednesday when I ordered it. I know I ordered it and it was like 2-day shipping, so I got it in. I unboxed it. Actually, my wife unboxed it because she was teasing me, and I will put them pictures in the video because I thought they were pretty neat. But she unboxed it, she sent me the photos, and from the pictures, it looked kick-ass. It was so cool looking. So I'm still a little skeptical at that time. I got home that night. I got to actually put my hands on it and look at it, and the powder coating was top-notch. The build quality was top-notch. The welds for the quick release hub was top-notch. Everything was great with it. The ordering process was super easy. No questions asked. I didn't have to call them and ask them a bunch of stupid questions. They had it all wrote out exactly what I needed to hook it to my car. Only thing I had to know was my spline count and size of my steering wheel for the rack. And if you guys are looking for what U-joint I used, that's all going to be down in the description. Exactly everything I ordered. And like I said, I got 10% off because of the Memorial Day sale, and there it is. So the powder coating was awesome. The install was very, very easy. I've never done this before. I've never put a steering column in. I've never put a steering column in anything in my life, and I just put that one in. It worked the first time, no issues. So that's a plus in my book. My Mustang Mallory just got here. So that's a plus in my book, guys. So if you're looking for a racing steering column for your SN95 or Fox body or anything really, I don't care if it's a Silverado truck or whatever, they got all kinds of them on there. Check them out. I want to also tell you guys that they did not sponsor me making this review. This is a unbiased review. I had no contact with them but just ordering through their website. So they did not pay me nothing to make this review on this thing. I want to include that. So that's my overview of it. That's the install. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and kick back, get you a beer, work on your car, have fun with your wife. That's kind of my thing. So y'all take it easy. This is Killer 97 Mustang. Peace.